Good morning students. As we have done addition and subtraction and we have started with the application part of these two in the algebraic expressions, and I have explained you few types of questions also, and I'll take up this concept further and explain you how to simplify, how to read the question very carefully, and how to simplify the question where the brackets are involved. So you have to use the brackets in which first you are going to solve the small bracket, then you are going to solve the curly bracket, and then you are going to solve the square bracket. In this manner you are going to solve the questions, and we are going to do few examples so that you will be able to do your exercise properly. Now today I'll explain you how to simplify the given expression. It's a chapter 12 going on, algebraic expressions. Now here you are given simplify the question is 6 plus the square bracket starts y minus curly bracket 3x plus small bracket 7y minus 3x plus 8 bracket close, then plus 9 x square curly bracket minus y square minus 3x and square bracket. So as there are brackets, so your first step is three types of brackets are there. So first of all we will solve the brackets, but in this again we will first solve the small bracket. So 6 plus y minus 3x, as there is positive sign before the bracket, so nothing is going to change, no sign is going to change in the bracket. So write all the terms as it is, plus 9x square and curly bracket. Now here open this small bracket, as negative sign is there, so the signs of all the terms they will change, minus y square plus 3x. So this is your, you have removed first the small bracket. Now simplify the terms, regroup the terms in the curly bracket. 3x, 3x minus 3x. So you have collected the like terms for this, so cross it with the pencil. Now is there any term with y? No. Plus 8 plus 9x square as it is, and minus y square plus 3x and close the bracket. Now 6 plus, square bracket y minus positive 3 negative 3, it becomes 0. So 0x we don't write, so these two they get cancelled, and I am left with 7y plus 8 plus 9x square, close the curly bracket, and minus y square plus 3x and the square bracket. Now open the curly bracket. Now again negative sign is there, so sign of all the terms they will change. Minus 7y, minus 8, minus 9x square, and now this part it will come as it is, plus 3x. Now same step, before opening the bracket, simplify the expression within the bracket, collect the like terms with y variable. So minus 7y, you have made the group. Now minus 8, I told you, okay, write it as it is. Now with 9x square, no other, with y square, no other, and plus 3x. So every term you have written. Now open the bracket as positive sign. So it will be 6 plus y minus, y and minus 7. It will become minus 6y minus 8 minus 9x square minus y square plus 3x. Now open the bracket, 6 plus minus as positive sign, so the no sign of the terms will change. They will be written as it is, plus 3x. Now collect the like terms. Minus 6y, you have written, minus 9x square minus y square plus 3x plus 6 and minus 8. Why I have written these? Because these are the terms without variable, these are the constants, and I told you the constants are to be written at the end. So minus 6y minus 9x square minus y square plus 3x and minus 8 and plus 6 minus 2. So this is your answer. In this manner you are going to simplify the expression. Here be careful with the sign which is written before the bracket. If it is negative, so all the signs they are going to change within the bracket. Now we have started with applying thought. Now in applying thought, the question 1 says, how much smaller? How much smaller is 2y square z minus 3x than minus y square z plus 19x plus 3. Now yesterday we have done how much bigger, larger is this than this. So there you have subtracted this minus this and you got your answer. But now here it is saying how much smaller, how much less this expression is than this one. So when we compare, if this is smaller, then this one is going to be bigger. Okay, easy way to remember, if smaller is written over here means this is a smaller expression. If larger is written means this expression is larger. So from bigger you are going to subtract the smaller. So now this one is bigger, so you are going to subtract the smaller here, and you will write that this much smaller is my, this number is the difference that you get is smaller than this. So what you are going to do in solution, if I write how much smaller is A than B. So what will you do? Means B is larger, B minus A. So subtract two y square z minus 3x from minus y square z plus 19x plus 3. Okay, so minus y square z plus 19x plus 3, put it in the bracket, minus 2y square z minus 3x. You have subtracted. Now open the brackets, plus 19x plus 3 minus 2y square z plus 3x. Now the signs of each term, they have changed: positive, negative, negative, positive. Collect the like terms. Minus y square, z and minus 2y square z. You have taken these two. Now plus 19x plus 3x. You have collected these two and plus 3. So minus minus both are negative, so you are going to add them. So minus 3y square z, as here is 1 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3, both are positive, again they will be added, plus 22x and plus 3. So this expression is this much smaller than this one. Expression A is this much smaller than your expression B. In this manner you are going to solve. Now here I will do question 3 is same. Find the difference between the sum of two expressions are given and the sum of this. So here you will find this, first add the first two expressions, then add the second one expressions. So sum A, sum B and find the difference. So sum A minus sum B, because straight away it is saying find the difference between. Okay. Now I am doing one part of simplify. Question number 4. It is your question number 4. I'll take the B part, which says minus 12 u square v square plus bracket start 9 u square v minus 11 u v square minus 15 uv plus 16 u square minus bracket small bracket start 7x and minus 6y small bracket closes plus 3v square and curly bracket closes plus 7uv square and the square bracket closes. Is this clear? Now first open the small brackets. Minus 12 u square v square plus 9 u square v minus 11 u v square minus 15 uv plus 16 u square. Now this is the small bracket. Negative sign is there, so all the signs will change. Minus 7x and plus 6y, and after that it is plus 3v square and curly bracket closes plus 7uv square and the square bracket closes. So we have just opened this bracket as negative sign was there, so we have changed the signs of each term. Now collect the like terms within the curly bracket. Minus 12 u square v square plus 9 u square v minus 11 u v square minus. Now are there any like terms here? No. So just open the bracket. So see, negative sign is there before the bracket. So you are going to change the sign for each and every term. Minus 16 u square plus 7x minus 6y minus 3v square. So, and here you have plus 7uv square, close the bracket. Got it? Now minus 12 u square v square. Now collect the like terms within the bracket. 9 u square v, u square v, no other term, plus, sorry, it is minus 11 uv square, yes, this term, so plus 7 uv square. So cross these two, these are the two like terms. Now any other term, minus 15 uv, so I have written these terms, minus 16 u square taken down plus 7x minus 6y minus 3v square, close the bracket. Is this clear? Now remove this bracket also as positive sign, so nothing will change. 9 u square v. These were like terms. Now in this step you can add it. So minus 11 plus 7 minus 4 u v square minus 15 u v minus 16 u square plus 7x minus 6y minus 3v square. Now is there any term u square v square? No. These are already unlike terms. So my answer is going to be this one. In this manner you have simplified it. Is this clear? This is the method of simplification. So in simplification you have to first look for the brackets. First step, as you know, is to solve the small bracket. Okay, then you are going to solve the curly bracket, and then you are going to solve the square bracket. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is that if there is negative sign before the bracket, all the signs they are going to change. So this is your question number 4 of exercise 12.2 B part. How to simplify the terms. I think you will come for question 4 E part also, because there are fractions. It says 3p square minus 2p minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus p square bracket close plus bracket starts p square plus 6p bracket close plus 2p minus 5 by 2. So here just open all the brackets. 3p square minus 2p minus 1 by 2, positive sign, so nothing is going to change. Again positive sign, again positive sign, so simply the brackets will be removed. Now collect the like terms. 3p square, this is also, this is also. So you have used, and this is your one group. Now minus 2p minus 6p plus 2p. So you have used these two also. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 and minus 5 by 2. So you have used these three also. So all the terms are used. You have done regrouping, collecting the like terms. 3 and 1 4 and minus 1 3p square. Now here minus 2 minus 6 minus 8 plus 2 minus 6p. Here the LCM is going to be, I'll solve this here. LCM is going to be 2 minus 1. Be careful, you have to do the calculation along with the sign. Minus 1, for this nothing is there, so means 1 is there. So plus 2 minus 5. I'll write it here. minus 1 plus 2 minus 5 upon 2. So this becomes 3p square minus 6p minus 1 and minus 5, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4. So minus 4 upon 2 and they will be cancelled. So my answer is 3p square minus 6p minus 2. This part will be solved as you were solving your fractions. So don't worry about it that this thing has come. So we are going to solve our question in this manner. Simplify. Only thing, as positive sign was there in front of each bracket, I have not changed any sign. And previous questions, as there was negative sign, wherever there is negative sign before the bracket, the signs of each term, they will change. This is the main thing that you have to keep in mind. That's all for today. I'll take up next questions in the next class.